Hi, in this video, let me show you the business analytics capabilities of Curate Data. In our previous video, we described the bird's eye view where the founders or CXOs can visualize their data in a summarized format. In this video, we will brief you on how to analyze the data on the geography level. You will be also able to see what are the important KPIs and how to generate the actionable insights. Now, as you can see, this is the geography dashboard for FMCG company. You can see there are four data cards on left where you can see the total sales, YTD sales, last year YTD sales, and YTD percentage sales. Now in this first graph, you can see zone wise what is my current year sales, then what is my previous year sales, then what is the YTD percentage. So you can see which zone is growing or degrowing versus last year. Here you can see APTG, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana has been degrowing by 2.56%, and you can see there is an icon for that particular representation. Going forward, you will see percentage total sales. So this will show you the contribution of that particular zone versus pan India. And lastly, you can see how many distributors are contributing to my sales for that particular zone. In this similar graph, if you want to see region wise, you can drill up and you can see these are my four regions. What is my current year sales? What is my previous year sales? YTD percentage, and so on and so forth. If you drill down for West region, you can see these are the three zones under the West region. For example, Maharashtra. Under Maharashtra, these are the districts, right? For example, if I want to see the analysis for Pune district, I can just click on Pune. You can see under Pune district, which is contributing 36.44 CR for this year versus 33.51 CR previous year. Pune as a city is contributing 13.83 CR, which is 104% growth versus last year. So out of this, overall Pune is growing by 8.75%. Degrowth is coming from Pimpri. So Pimpri degrowth by 35.62%. So now if you see Pune as a whole, you will be seeing as a growth vertical. But if you drill down, you will be able to see Pimpri is degrowing, and similarly you can see why it is degrowing and how to improve. And you can make strategies to improve Pimpri. Right. Similarly, there are other cities as well which are degrowing. Right, so similarly you can see for any particular district, Nagpur for example, if you want to come towards north, select north. Under north, you can see all the zones coming under north. For example, let's take UP. UP is growing by 28.96% overall. Varanasi is growing by 33%, Allahabad is growing by 43%, Jaunpur is growing by 39%, Kanpur Nagar is growing by 28%. So mostly all the districts under UP are growing, as you can see, but Shahjahanpur is degrowing by 30%. So now you can see directly that Shahjahanpur is degrowing by 30%. Last year it did 2.70 CR business. This year it did a business of 1.89 CR. So if you click on Shahjahanpur, you can see these are my four distributors under Shahjahanpur. RL Foods, Jai Durga, Gaurav General Store. You can see for this particular distributor last year it did a business of 2.51 CR. This year it is 1.5. So directly you can see this is my degrowth contributor. So you can see this distributor did less business from last year. So why he did less business, you can see, right? So if you further drill down Shahjahanpur, you can see all the cities, right? So this is how you can analyze any particular city, district, or zone for that matter of fact. Now coming to the graph, if I unselect all in this particular graph, you can see this particular map. If I do it in focus mode, you can see the bubbles for each and every state. The red one is depicting that YTD growth is less, right? If you see this particular state, UP, there is a growth of 28% versus last year. all red bubbles are showing there is a negative growth versus last year. So you can see for Gujarat, there is a degrowth of 52%. For Dadra and Nagar Haveli, there is a degrowth of 31%, but the sales is not significant, so it might not hamper you, right? But for example, Karnataka is a big state and you would like to improvise. Last year it did a business of 6.46. This year it did a business of 5.52 CR. So there is a degrowth by 14.51%. So by this map as well, you can see which are growing state, which are degrowing state. In the east region, you can see there are three red bubbles: Manipur, then Assam, and Arunachal Pradesh. These three states degrew by most of like 15 to 20%. Coming back to the dashboard, you can see there is a region wise sales. You can see West is the highest contributor, 548 CR. North is second highest with 505 CR. Then if you go towards zone, you can see Maharashtra is contributing 376 CR, right? Then UP is the second highest contributor. If you come towards the right, there is a district level analysis. In the like rightmost, there is a distributor wise sales analysis, right? So this is how you can analyze. If you click on for one particular zone, let's say Maharashtra, so all the data will be for that particular selection. You can see in Maharashtra, these are my top distributors, these are my top districts, right? And in this particular table, if you just drill down, you will see in Maharashtra all these districts and cities are coming, right? So this is how you can analyze your data pan India level, which district or state is growing or degrowing, and what are the reasons, and versus distributors, you can analyze the overall sales. If you want to know more about our services at Curate Data, you can directly reach out to us through LinkedIn, website, or you can mail us at partner@curatedata.in.